my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a pair of wide leg pants, comfortable wide leg pants out of this maxi skirt. My maxi skirt I've had forever and I don't wear it, so why not change it into something that I want to wear? This material is very stretchy, kind of like a jersey cotton fabric. It does not fray when you cut it, which is amazing, but we are going to cut this bad boy. So what I have here, I'm going to flip the skirt inside out and I'm going to cut along the two seam lines. Now these seam lines were on the left and the right side of the skirt according to if the tag was in the back. And so I'm now going to make that the front and the back, and I'm going to cut all the way up into where I think the crotch should start. I do not want to cut all the way up to the top. As you can see here, I'm trying them on to make sure that my crotch area is nice. You can measure your crotch area before you do this, but I did not because I kind of had a feeling where it was going to be at. Once you do that, you keep it inside out and you want to pin along the lines of what is now the inner part of the pants legs, and you're going to make sure that you neatly do that. This fabric is easy to get it like kind of off, so you want to make sure you pay very close attention, make sure the fabric is all smoothed out, and you're going to go all the way up the pants leg, around the crotch, back down to the other leg. I am going to do a zigzag stitch, and I'm going to make sure that I do not force my fabric through or stretch my fabric, because this is a very stretchy fabric, and if you do so, then you will definitely be able to tell once you put it on, because you'll have bunching and it'll be wavy. It'll just look a mess. So let the machine guide the fabric through, and you just make sure that it stays straight. Take your time. As you can see, I'm taking my time. And once you do that, then you guys, that is it. I really like these pair of pants. They're super comfortable, and I would probably wear this with a shirt that covers my bum, but I was just showing you guys what it looks like. And I would definitely wear these with a pair of flats, super comfortable, probably around the house. But anyway, I absolutely love them. They're super stretchy, super comfy. I'm going to enjoy these so much. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. And subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. As always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.